Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel MEC. It means M English Classes. Guys, in this video we are going to learn English and from beginning. Guys, suppose that you are beginner and if you desire to learn this language, then how can you start your speaking English and how can you use, implement, and at what time you have to speak of speaking English. Guys, first of all we have to remember verb. I mean action one. Just like that, go, come, play, read, speak. You have to start speaking from one word. Like guys, in Hindi meaning go means jana, ana, khelna, padna, bolna. But at the time of speaking, its sense change. The meaning is same, but sense, I mean his pronunciation is completely changing. Guys, go means jao, come means ao. Direct, if you want to say other people that jao, we can say go, आओ, come, खेलो, play, पढ़ो, read, बोलो, speak. Apart from that, if you want to start, if you want to speak with two words, then we have to first of all you have to use verb. Like as वहाँ जाओ. So first of all we have to use जाना. जाओ का English goes, यानी go का इस्तेमाल करेंगे guys. Like as suppose that वहाँ जाओ, go there. यहाँ आओ, come here. Yes guys, we have to use first of all verb. Suppose if you want to speak English with two words, first of all I have given you trick. We can start one word while speaking time. Like you have to only use verb. जाओ, go, आओ, come, खेलो, play, पढ़ो, read. Like that we have to only remember 50 common verbs which is used in daily life. Yes guys, which is used in daily life, जो हमारे दिनचर्या में यानी daily life में use किया जाता है. You have to only remember verb. After that you can start your speaking. Go, जाओ, come, आओ, sit, बैठो, play, खेलो, read, पढ़ो. Like that you have to speak. After that two words, you have to take two words, and first of all you have to use verb. Like as go there, वहाँ जाओ, come here, यहाँ आओ. Like that we can start so many sentences and trick. So guys, I hope I have given you 2 points and I hope you will start speaking English. Guys, it's enough today. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Best of luck. Wish you all the best.